For this video, we are going to cover area of a circle, radius of the circle, area of the shaded region, and at the end of the video, we'll have a practice questions with answer. The formula for the area of a circle is area is equal to pi r square. A circle has a radius and a diameter. A radius is a straight line from center of the circle all the way to one point of the circle. A diameter is also a straight line from one point of your circle that will pass through the center all the way to the second point of your circle. If the given will be a diameter, you have to convert it to radius. And radius is equal to diameter over 2, since radius is half of diameter, or simply r equal d over 2. Let's calculate the area of these circles. The first circle is a radius of 4 cm. Using the formula, area is equal to pi r square, and for the value of pi, we're going to use 3.14. So let's substitute the value of pi, 3.14, times the radius, which is 4 cm, then square. So let's solve first the radius. So that will be 3.14, then 4 cm square, that will become 16 cm square. Next is we're going to multiply 3.14 times 16 cm square. That will be 50.24 cm square. So for the area of the first circle will be 50.24 cm square. For the second circle, the given here is a diameter. So we have to use the formula radius d over 2, which d stands for the diameter. That will be r is equal to 6 cm over 2, and that is 3 cm, and that will be the value of your radius. Now we can use the formula of the area of a circle. So area is equal to pi r square. Once again, we're going to use 3.14 as the value of pi. So 3.14 times the value of radius, which is 3 cm, then bracket square. So again, solve first the radius. So that will be, copy first the 3.14 for the value of pi, and then 3 cm squared, that will become 9 cm square. Next, we're going to multiply 3.14 times 9 cm, and that will be 28.26 cm square. So that will be the area of our second circle. To solve for the radius of a circle given the area, we have to derive first the formula of the area of a circle. Area is equal to pi r square. The first thing is to divide both sides by pi, so we can cancel this one out. So we will have area over pi is equal to r square. Now to remove the power, we have to square root both sides. So cancel out the square and the square root. So what will remain will be square root of area over pi is equal to r. Or you can have radius is equal to square root of area over pi. So that will be our formula in finding the radius of a circle using the area. Let's calculate the radius of these circles into 2 decimal places. Using the formula, radius is equal to square root of area divided by pi. For the first circle, the area is 100 meters square. So let's use the formula. Radius is equal to square root of area over pi. Once again, we're going to use the value of pi as 3.14. So let's substitute. Square root of area, which is 100 meters square, over the value of pi, which is 3.14. So let's divide 100 divided by 3.14, and that will result to square root of 31.85 meters square. Then we'll take the square root of 31.85 meters square. So the radius will become 5.64 meter in 2 decimal places. On our second circle, the area is equal to 35 cm square. So again, let's use the formula. Radius is equal to square root of area divided by pi. Now let's substitute. Area is equal to 35 cm square over the value of pi, which is 3.14. Then let's divide 35 divided by 3.14. That's equivalent to 11.15 cm square. Then we're going to take the square root of that, and that will be 3.34 cm in 2 decimal places. Area of a shaded region. On our first figure, we have two circles, the purple and the blue circle. The purple with 8.8 centimeter as its diameter, and the blue circle with 4.4 centimeter, again, its diameter. Let's solve first the purple circle. Since it's in diameter, so which means you need to convert it into radius. So that will be 8.8 divided by 2, and that's equivalent to 4.4 centimeter. Now, the formula of the area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Once again, for the value of the pi, we're going to use 3.14. Now let's substitute. So pi is equal to 3.14 with the radius of 4.4 cm bracket square. Next, we are going to simplify the radius with the power of 2. Then just copy 3.14 and then 4.4 square or centimeter square, that will equivalent to 19.36 cm square. Next is to multiply them, and the area will become 60.79 cm square into 2 decimal places. Next, with the blue circle with a diameter of 4.4, so once again we need to change it into radius. So 4.4 divided by 2 is equivalent to 2.2 centimeter. Now we can use the area formula of a circle, which is area is equal to pi r square. The pi is 3.14 and the radius is 2.2 cm, then square. Next is to simplify once again your radius with the power of 2. Copy once again the 3.14. So 2.2 centimeters square, that will be 4.84 cm square. And then multiply, that will result to 15.197 cm square. Now since we're using 2 decimal places, this will become 15.20 cm square. So since we are calculating for the shaded region, which is right here, we are going to subtract 60.79 centimeters square minus 15.20 centimeters square, and that is equal to 45.59 cm square. So that is the area of the shaded region. Next on our second figure, we have a square and a circle with a side length of 3.4 centimeter and also will serve as the diameter of your circle. Let's solve first the area of the square. The formula for the area of a square is side squared. Now our given is 3.4 centimeter as the side square, so that would 3.4 centimeters square, and that is equivalent to 11.56 centimeters square. So that will be the area of your square. Next, for the area of the circle, now since it is a diameter, so we need to change it into radius. So that will be 3.4 divided by 2, and that is equivalent to 1.7 centimeter as the radius of your circle. Now we can substitute now to the formula. Area is equal to pi r square, and the value of r pi is 3.14 times the radius, which is 1.7 cm bracket square. Let us simplify first once again the radius. So copy 3.14 and 1.2 cm bracket square, that is equivalent to 2.89 centimeters square. Then multiply 3.14 times 2.89, that is equivalent to 9.07 centimeters square into 2 decimal place. So we are now going to subtract the area of the square, which is 11.56 cm square, minus the area of the circle, which is 9.07 cm square, and that is equivalent to 2.49 cm square. Here is our practice problems for area of a circle. You can pause the video and answer the following questions before I reveal the answers. Comment what topic you want for the next video or any question, and see you to my next lesson.